Welcome to Lundex channel that make your research simple. In this video, we are going to learn how to prepare scientific figures for manuscripts. There are different tools which can be used for merging of images. So we start from PowerPoint because everyone have access to PowerPoint and a little bit familiar. After this video, I may discuss another additional tools which can be used for merging of images. So let's start. This PowerPoint is easy method for everyone, so we are going to start from easy and then we use advanced tools which can also use for merging of images. In this first part, we are going to cover following contents: just resize slide to A4 size and inserting image and aligning it, adding labels, grouping of images, and exporting into different formats. In addition to that, we also set PowerPoint or image into different formats, just like 300 dpi or more, by using a registry method. So let's start. First of all, we need to, just like if when you open PowerPoint, this screen will be shown to you. At the starting, you just click design, then you need to click slide resize, and then you select customize. After that, you need to select A4 size, width and height. If you know, it's okay. If you don't know, just you need to click a portrait. After portrait, you can arrange just like 7.5. You can select it's up to 8.27 inches. If you are going to select centimeter, you can select 21 centimeters. For height 8.27, and for for width to 8.27, while height 11.69, and you can select mostly I use the portrait. You can select a landscape, but it is recommended you need to select a portrait. And then you select ensure fit. Okay, now this slide converts into A4 size. After that, we need to insert images, just like if we images insert, then click pictures and then this device, and then you select folders in which your pictures are present, just like I kept in desktop using folder name as picture merging. So I want to merge these, suppose I pictures. So these three pictures I want to merge. So before that, I want to make their size equal. For making equal size and height, you don't need to just like select from here and scroll down, or you should not select from here to scroll left or right. But it's better when you resize the pictures, you can select a corner and scroll down and up, depends on figure size, because in this way it equally height and width equally resize. If you select from here, the size, height and width should not be equally resize, so it's better to select from corner. And if you want to, just like it's show little, if you want to zoom, you can click alter, or you can select control and scroll, just like mouse, and mouse you can just zoom it. Okay, you can also directly zoom from here, it's up to you. Okay, if even I want to decrease its size, I want to make this just like this. Free figure should come in one figure in one sorry. Okay, why I do all together? Because in this way, and the size of all three figures will be equal. So I select all these three and resize it. After resize, then I can rearrange and relocate their position. So first of all, I want to know that whether these three figures comes in same line, but I think still it needs to decrease its size. Now I think, but I need to increase a little bit more. Once we have finished, now I just click here and then take a pictures. Just okay, but still if we look, the size of figure is little but more, so we need to reduce. Okay, now if we have finalized this size and we need to make this the size of this picture also in same, we just keep it and okay, and we also need to put in this figure just like here. Okay, now these all three figures become equal size. So after that, now you need to rearrange. If we look, even though it's a little bit overlapping, so it indicates we also need to little decrease more size. So okay, now we check is the size, all pictures have equal size and they all are in one line. So now if we want to move this, select all and move here, and if we want to give a just like a B C label, just like if we want to give a label, we can select insert, then click a text box, and suppose if we want to give a size, we just select a size, and you can select any font, and if you want to bold it, you just bold it, and you just KT. Okay, once this has been done, now in addition to this, I also add other figures. Okay, again I go to insert, click a pictures, and click a this device, and then suppose I want to also merge these two figures. Okay, I want to resize. Just like this one, because at the time of exporting, when we are exporting this image, at the time of exporting, we should need to select the size and the type of font should be same. But in these two figures, if we look, the size of these is little but less in comparison to this one. So it's not here, because in PowerPoint we cannot edit this font size and images. Of course we can do additional, just like we can use alternative, but it's not good. Just I want to tell you how to we can do this way and rewrite these names, but it's better when we are going to exporting images, and just like these figures I made by using a GraphPad. So but at the time of exporting I didn't look at the size and font size and type. So just like this one, suppose I merge these figures, and I also give a name as B. Just B, and we can select the font size equal and bold. Okay, and then we need to keep here. Okay, once we have done this, we need to export, but before export I also want to demonstrate how to set the resolution for this picture. When we export this picture, the DPI should be 300 or 600 or 1200. It depends on our wish, what quality of figures we want. So that case, in that condition, we need to use a function just like click a window and R. When we click a window and R, this will be open Reg Edit. Once this open, we need to OK, and we say click yes. After that, if it is automatically just like selected PowerPoint, in your case if it is not selected, because I already selected, when we open just like this, so we click here. After here we need to click software. After we software, we need to click Microsoft. We need to click here. We need to click a second Microsoft. After Microsoft, we click first we click on Microsoft, and then we click Office. After Office, then we need to just like select any one of these. It depends on the version of Office you are using. In my case, if I'm using 365 Office, I need to select 6. If you are using 2013 Office or Microsoft Office, then you need to use select 15. If you are using 2014 Microsoft Office, then you need to select this one. Okay, so just like in my case, if I'm using Office 365, I need to select 6. If you are using suppose if you are using 2013, then you select 15. If you are using Microsoft Office less than 2013, just like 2007 or someone else, then you need to select 12. After selecting this, then we need to select PowerPoint. After selecting PowerPoint, now in this case, once we select PowerPoint, we need to click right click here, PowerPoint, and select a new key. Here we give a name. We can give a name any, just like image, for example, image quality. Then we select just like new and dbird 3632 bit value. We need to select this one. Then we give a here, for example, name is resolution. So after that resolution, we need to modify it once we modify, here we need to select a decimal, and here we need to select a resolution, at what resolution we want to export image. For example, usually when we export image, usually it should be recommended that 300. If you want more resolution, you can select more. Just click OK, and now you just here go out, and now you need to export. Click a file. After file, you export. Once you click export, then there you need to select change file type. For example, you can select any type of just like PNG, JPEG. So just like if you want to select another file type, you can click this one, but usually we select PNG and JPG. For example, I select a JPG, and now I want to select the folder in which I want to export. Here I click save. Okay, now which slide do you want to export? I just want to say just this one. Okay, so now let's check it. Desktop, merge. Look, now if you check, its quality is good because it's 300. If you want to set a resolution 600, its quality more better than this one. So that's how you, in addition to this one, just like this one, you can also export in PDF. Just like click a folder, file, okay, export, change file type. Here we can select a PDF. Okay, we can select PDF just like here. Now it will be saved in PDF. If we look at here, once again I need to save because I don't know where it has been saved. Just export, change file type. Okay, here is we can say select PNG, JPG or PDF. If we select if we want a PDF, here is the PDF. Okay, so now I select desktop, picture image. Okay, now we need to check. Here is the picture which has been saved in PDF because it's all slides have been saved in PDF. So because we actually we save all these slides. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, and for upcoming advanced tools, how to use advanced tool to merge the pictures, you can subscribe my channel and be alert for upcoming latest techniques and videos for learning. Thank you very much.